Good day, hi-ho kids, and welcome to our today's discussion. For today, our topic is all about sentence and non-sentence. When we say sentence, it is a group of words that has a complete thought. It has a doer and an action. But before we continue with sentence, let's talk about doer and action first. When we say doer, it is the one that does the action. And also, it is the one being talked about in the sentence. And when we say action, it is the movement done by the doer. And also, it tells more about the doer. Let's have an example. Here I have a sentence. Soldiers defend our country. What do you think is the doer in this sentence? How about the action? If your answer is soldiers is our doer and defend is our action, then you are correct. Because in this sentence, the one being talked about is soldiers. And the action is the word defend. Now let's talk about non-sentence. When we say non-sentence, it is a group of words that does not tell a complete thought. It can be just the doer or just the action. Here is an example. Our country. Let's have a short activity for today. Here is a group of words. Now kindly tell me if this is a doer or an action. The painter. A, doer, or B, action. If your answer is letter A, doer, then you are correct. Next, checks my assignment. Now, what is present in this group of words? Is it the doer or the action? If your answer is letter B, action, then you are correct. Because in this sentence, we do not have a doer, but we have an action. We have here the verb or the action word checks. Next, the astronaut. Is it a doer or an action? If your answer is letter A, doer, then you are correct. Next, the chef cooks my meal. Now for this group of words, what is present? Is it the doer or the action? If your answer is both doer and action, then you are correct. Because in this sentence, we have a doer, which is the chef, and we have an action, which is cook. Now let's have the points to remember in this lesson. First, sentence has a complete thought. Second, sentence has a doer and action. And third, non-sentence does not have a complete thought. That is all for today. Thank you and goodbye, hi-ho kids!